CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish Ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dob ying jompi
Kalong kening leran di bor Pynïaid jong sekolah ba North Eastern Hill University Shillong hadirin ba ki Samla Pule kila sei Madan Jingdkoh Treikam hapok ni sekolah ba kat hadu bakal kata lut nadong sedong ki Samla ki Pule hak ni ke Slem aji kai ka ba hap hapok ke Jingpet jong sarkar pedeng ya kani la sakhi hak singi pale jong atre ke leo arjar fuar hak ba dik spangut ki Samla Pule shinrang bat kan the jong sekolah ba Nehu ki badan hapok shatri jong North Eastern Hill University Students Union kila pelong dak jingra plakat hapok ka plau jong kani sekolah ba kum ka jing persya ka jing le menti bat ka jing bom chim khia jing ki bor ba dai pet ya ki mat jing dawa ki ba ka union kala dak pensngau la kum bakat tu ka ni por ki jing dawa ki ba ka union kala bu ahmad ki bor Pynïaid jong sekolah ba Nehu ki long ha ka bai dei ba ka Pule ka puthi ka jing pen biang ya ki boss ki ba julet shaw bat let on ya ki Samla Pule man la ka sngi ban pen biang ya ki jakasa apo hostel ban pen bet ya ki jing apo ki department jong kani sekolah ba ban pen biang ki lat ajing sumar nak bentak Samla Pule ban pen biang ki jing duna jong ki kot Pule hapo ka library bat ki wei de ki mat hakini ke sngi ki Samla Pule ki la pelong ru da ka jing ya procession nakmat jong ka library ter sedu ka office Treikam jong vice chancellor UPS Shukla
I have seen my friends going to the health center and they were asked to go and buy medicine from outside of Nehu. One of our friends from in the hostel of Mitoxi, she fell ill, okay? She got a heart attack in the previous day. And they called the ambulance. The ambulance reached after 2-3 hours. If the girl might have died that day, might have died because it is a heart attack. And these people are not taking care of these things. So we demand 24/7 functioning of the health center. Medicine should be available for students. Students what should be implemented, should be start in the health center for the students. Regarding the maintenance of hostels, I have seen your kitchen underneath and your toilets on top of the kitchen, and those pipes are not in a proper manner. Okay, leakage of all those things, dirty things which come from your toilet, it goes to your kitchen. Every time we complain regarding this, regarding the health of the students, no one catered to the need of the students. And regarding Wi-Fi, every day we met the assistant registrar regarding this. We talked to VC, and the file is one day in planning, one day with assistant registrar, one day in VC office, and the work is so slow that even today they have not yet been approved for the Wi-Fi of the hostels. And we make sure that VC today itself we should approve all those reports given to him in his office. Yes. We need Wi-Fi! We need Wi-Fi! We need Wi-Fi! We need Wi-Fi! We want our rights! We want our rights! We want our rights! Wi-Fi! will come out and assure us that he's going to fulfill whatever we are demanding in our memorandum. We are not going outside from here. BC, come out! 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 BC! 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 Come out! We want one way! Income! We want one way! We want one way! We want one way! We want one way! We want one way!
BC is coming. He'll speak to you all.